Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your map within the PUBG game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account using your Facebook or your Google account, and you will be taken into the home page. Now from the home page, you can directly start your match by clicking on the start button. However, if you wish to select the map that you wish to play your game in, tap on the map option above the start button, and now you will be able to choose from various different maps. Click on your desired map, and if you haven't downloaded the map already, you will see the download option. Once the map has been downloaded, you can simply tap on it to choose the map, and then tap on the start button to start your game within the selected map. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the map within the PUBG game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.